Hey guys! Today we're going to unbox this package that I ordered from Lazada. This is a protective case for Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I don't know what's the quality of this because it is from China, but I hope this is a good one. Yeah, let's start. Ooh. So this is the lens to protect shell. Okay, it is a 3-in-1 case. It is a dust-proof, waterproof, and a shockproof case from China, from Lazada. Okay, so let's open. Oh, there it is. Wow. It has the strap holder, the case itself. It's look awesome, right? For S9 Plus, and you need to unscrew this. I hope there's a screwdriver inside. Okay, it feels soft, and it's hard. Yeah, the side is hard. Yeah. It's a solid case. It has the lens holder, you know. What's this? Clean the phone screen. Okay. The instruction manual. Ooh, look at the lens. I guess it has the cover. Ooh, nice packaging. No, I love this. I love this. I guess this is the wide lens. Look at that. This one is for digital camera and mobile phones. What's this? Is this the fisheye lens? I guess. I love this because the lens has its own cover. It is protected. Oh yes, I got this screwdriver. I love the packaging, you know. It's so well packaged, and the lenses are protected. It has no scratch. Yeah, it has no scratches. And let's open this. Nice. Nice. Good. Okay, so. Ah! There is an extra screws inside. Okay. So here it is. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus cover from Lazada. If I am going to give a rating for this, I will give them a 4 out of 5 stars, because they said in the description that it includes the tempered glass, but in the package they did not include it. So yeah, I'm so disappointed for that, but still, this is a solid case, full metallic side, and I believe that it can protect my case. So yeah, thank you, and please subscribe to my channel, help me grow, and